There is one saying that compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. But let's put that to the test. If I offered you $1 million right now, or a single penny that doubles in value every day for 30 days, which would you take? Most people grab the million, but by day 20, that penny is worth over $5,000. You'd feel like you made a huge mistake. And then, the magic happens. By day 31, that single penny has exploded into over $10 million. And here is the part nobody ever tells you. 97% of all of that growth happens on the last 5 days. In simple terms, compound interest is interest on interest. Traditional simple interest is boring. You put $1,000 in, you get 5%, $50 every year. It stays flat. But with compound interest, the math changes. In year 1, you earn $50. In year 2, you don't just earn interest on your $1,000, you earn interest on $1,050. That extra $2.50 might seem small, but as the snowball rolls down the hill, it gathers more snow, gets heavier, and moves faster. That is the moment you win. That is the day you stop working for money, and money starts working for you. There are 2 things that make or break your wealth: time and consistency. Let's look at 2 friends, Ben and Joey. Ben starts investing $10,000 a year at age 25. He stops at age 35 and never touches it again. He invested $100,000 in total. Joey waits. She starts at age 35 and invests $10,000 every single year until she is 65. She invested $300,000 in total. At 7% return, Ben ends up with $1,050,000. Joey ends up with $950,000. Ben put in $100,000. Joey put in $300,000, and Ben still won. You do not need to be rich to start. You just need to start now. Want to know exactly how long it takes to double your wealth? Use the rule of 72. It's a simple mental shortcut. Take the number 72 and divide it by your expected annual return. If you're getting a 7% return, 72 divided by 7 equals roughly 10. That means your money doubles every 10 years. $10,000 becomes $20,000. $20,000 becomes $40,000. $40,000 becomes $80,000. This is not a trick. This is not a hack. You do not have to be smart. You just have to be patient. Compound interest is not magic. It is gravity. It is also a double-edged sword. If you have high-interest credit card debt, it is destroying you right now. The greatest secret of wealth is not finding the next big thing. It is respecting the math. If you just realize the magic of compound, act now, starting saving and investing. You still have time. If this clicked for you, hit subscribe, turn on notifications. Comment below, how old are you right now? What aspect do you want to know more? I'm Simply Wealth Wiser. Stay smart, stay tuned.